So a Hollywood and Brazilian wax can be a bit overwhelming if it's your first time. So what to expect? Your therapist will be wearing fresh gloves, or should be wearing fresh gloves. They will be using a new spatula for each time that they dip into that wax. For hygiene reasons, no double dipping. There will be a pre-wax cleanser, so they will clean the area before they start waxing. They may also use a bit of talc or a dusting powder on the area to absorb any moisture or oils on the skin and the hair. And then there will be an after wax oil applied after onto the area, which can also be added with an antiseptic cream such as silicone. Barbie, here you won't be expected to get completely naked, but you will be asked to remove all your lower part, so any trousers, knickers, anything you've got on the bottom half to be removed. You will be asked to get into a position like this, where you put your feet together, knees apart, or one leg straight at a time and bend each side. As once your waxer has got you into whichever position they prefer to work in, you'll expect the wax to be applied from the outer edge, working their way in. So if you are your first time at your wax appointment feeling slightly nervous, it is likely that you are going to feel slightly tense, and this can sometimes make things feel a lot more uncomfortable than need be. So here's some tips to help you get through your first ever Brazilian or Hollywood wax without making it any more painful than it needs to be. Make sure your hair is at the right appropriate length that you have been advised to grow your hair at, because if it's too short or too long, then it can pinch more. You also want to make sure you don't squeeze your legs shut or kick out at your therapist when they are pulling the wax. The skin needs to be pulled nice and tight, and you need to keep nice and still so your therapist can get a nice grip and pull in the correct way without hurting you. You may also find a nice warm bath will open the pores just beforehand, and exfoliating well in between appointments will get all them hairs out.